something real. You better put your toys away. You know that I'm not here to play. Something strange is in your eye. I don't know what you're seeing in your mind today. I got to know why you've been stalling all the time. It's true, or do you lie? I don't know who you're seeing on the slide today. I got to know who you've been calling. Did you say? It's time to give me something. We gotta straighten up, deal. It's time to give me something. We gotta straighten out the deal. It's time to give me something real. We gotta straighten out the deal. It's time to give me something.
Come on and feel it. Feel the heat.
Hair grease.
Girls dance to the beat. Guys, raise your hands.
Once upon a time, it was not long ago. Miss Christine, she made no money and she had no dough. Now she's kicking fat rhymes for EJ5. She'll have diamonds, rings, and pearls for the rest of her life. So you better back down, cause I'm coming through. There'll be no room for you. Now what you gonna do? No, 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 I keep coming back. Get down with me tonight. If you get with me, I make you feel alright. You won't regret it, but I don't sweat it. Just take your time. No, by the end of the night, you're gonna be mine. No, no, I keep coming back.
Here we go.
is rollerblading. But actually, no, definitely it's really easy. If you ever heard of self-respect, yeah baby. People who have it know how females should be treated. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then leave it. Boy, I'm not your toy. I'm not your toy. I'm not your toy. I'm not your toy boy.
Woo!